Hey Bobby's mom. Can we go to Arby's? Because I am hungry.
Sure. Because my husband took Brains Rich and Justin and Bobby to Target to get their Super Smash Bros. Wii U and Amiibo. So let's go.
Hi. I'm the female Wii Fit trainer from Wii Fit. Anyways. Welcome to Arby's. What would you and your daughter would like to order?
I would like a medium roast beef sandwich, medium curly fries, and a medium Mountain Dew.
And I want the beef and cheddar sandwich, 6-piece chicken tenders, large curly fries, a Pepsi and a Jamma Mocha shake.
I'm so sorry, Paulina. But the Jamma Mocha shakes were sold out.
Really? Oh, come on.
But don't feel bad. The chocolate milkshakes are still available.
Okay. I want that one instead.
Wow, Paulina. That was very impressive. We'll have that to go, please.
Okay. Here you go. Have a nice day.
Paulina. You did very good.
But what about that boy in the black shirt? I saw him attacking his mom.
Okay. Let's watch what happened back at the Arby's restaurant.
Mom. I said I wanted a beef and cheddar sandwich, large curly fries, a large Pepsi, and a Jamma Mocha shake right now.
Zach Varmint. The clerk said that the Jamma Mocha shakes were sold out. You can either get a chocolate milkshake, or nothing at all.
Oh, why don't you just engage me? Engage me right here at Arby's.
Oh my god. Zach Varmint. You are a spoiled brat. We're going home right now. You're grounded until June.
No, mommy. Please give me another chance. I'll be good. I will behave.
Me and my sister Adriana just came back from ballet class at school.
Anyways, I would like to have a chicken bacon Swiss sandwich, medium fries, and a chocolate milkshake.
And I want the classic roast beef sandwich, large curly fries, and a chocolate milkshake as well.
Okay. Here you go. Thanks for choosing Arby's. Have a nice day.
Paulina. Since you behaved at Arby's, you're ungrounded forever.
Well, thanks Bobby's mom. You are the best parent ever.